Well, hello there. Been a minute since I've done a voiceover video, but this is one that's been bugging me. Well, I didn't play with it enough. And you who are struggling, or maybe you haven't, maybe you're not, try to connect one drone after another to your smart controller, because now with the new firmware, the Air 2 can connect to the smart controller, and the Mavic 2 series always has. So let me show you how to do it. Power up the controller first. Don't mind my bald head. Yikes. And let's do Mavic Air 2 first. What we got going on here? I'm gonna turn off that. We got no Wi-Fi going. So my tests so far have been with no Wi-Fi running. So I'm gonna leave it that way. I'll turn on the Mavic Air 2. Yeah, I wouldn't expect it to connect straight away. Although it would have been nice if they would have built in this firmware to make this one connect if this one's not, and this one connect if this one's not. However, if you've synced them both individually, one at a time, and I'm not going to walk through that with this video, but if I go into and hold and select between one of the two that I've synced, being the Air, being the Mavic 2, and switch. This is the fun part. Yay, green light. Almost there. Green lights are flashing back here. Even fires up the app for you. God bless DJI, right? Pardon me. So, we're connected. We'll go ahead and get out of there. I'm gonna kill both the apps. I'm gonna power off the drone. Not that you have to do it. Not that you have to do it in that order. You don't have to do that. You could fly and land, and you could, however you want to. I'm just doing it that way for this. So, with this guy down, now this guy, power up. I'm gonna buy me a camera too, so I've got the Mavic 2 Pro camera in addition to the Mavic 2 zoom camera. So again, it would be fun if DJI would make it auto connect. That's weird, these lights, huh? Yeah. But it doesn't. That's okay. If you've connected them, if you've synced them once, go into this aircraft and choose your craft and switch. Patience is a virtue. God bless DJI. Now, why didn't they put that in the instruction manual? You know why? Because that'd be hard as hell to explain. That's why. But look at that. Fires the app. We're damn near ready to go. Oh, nothing. Right? So, there it is. For anybody struggling with going back and forth, connecting between one and the other, and I'll do it one more time. I'll power this guy off, leaving the app up. I don't mean, again, the order in which you do stuff, it really doesn't matter. All right, so I'm gonna hit this twice, which is gonna bring me to here, and if I click and push, shows me the open apps. I'll close those up. Now there's nothing running, as you can see. Wait. Nothing. We'll power back on the Mavic Air 2, which is a sick little drone. In addition to its big brother, who is also very sick. Sick in a good way, not sick in a bad way. You know, so right now, why couldn't they build the software just to go click, click between when you're not having to, but that's okay. Finding this, I'm happier than a pig in shed. So I pull down, push and hold, select the drone, and switch. And again, this is where the magic happens. I didn't know this. This is a nice feature, but you have to know. Hello, green light. Hello, green light. Hello. And thank you. It'll jump right into the app as soon as it's ready to. One thing just to add I don't love is that's running in the background. So if I click this twice to bring me back here, and I click and push, you see how they're both running? I don't need that running anymore in the background. I don't need anything running in the background that's going to cause any kind of interference or what the hell ever, especially with an Android, for God's sake. Too bad Apple doesn't have this built in. Oh, sorry for all you Apple haters. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, I love this thing. Should be an Apple motor running in it, but it's okay. That's me. Anyway, I hope you find this fun. It was fun to do it and fun to figure it out. It took me a minute, but there it is. So take that for what it's worth. Brand Joan 007. Like and subscribe. I mean, although my channel's like this big, and I don't post enough. So take a look. If you like it, cool. If you don't, cool. Y'all have a good one. Take care. Bye.